Los Angeles has a number of high-end retail stores and famous shopping districts. Factory outlet stores are where manufacturers offer items on sale or a discount to clear out inventory from the last fashion season. These factory outlet stores are clustered in shopping centers outside the center of LA. They have plenty of the brands you'd expect. If you're looking for a specific brand name and want good value, factory outlet stores are a great place to start. There are a number of factory outlet malls within 1 to 3 hours driving distance, east or west from downtown Los Angeles. This includes Carlsbad Premium Outlets, Desert Hills Premium Outlets, outlets at Barstow, and more. There are, however, 3 factory outlets closer to the LA suburbs. Near downtown, Citadel Outlets is the closest factory outlet mall within LA city limits. Many have driven past the iconic Assyrian palace and statues driving on the nearby 5 freeway. Citadel Outlets is an immersive and fashionable shopping destination located in the City of Commerce southeast of downtown Los Angeles. The Citadel has more than 130 authentic brands. This open-air mall contains scores of factory outlet stores where you can find items up to 70% off a retail price. You can find what you're looking for, from children's clothing, housewares, and men's and women's fashion. There are the standard mid-level shops like Ann Taylor and H&M at the Citadel you'll find at most malls. There are also a few of the higher-end retailers, outlet-style shops where you can find some good deals. It's fun to have physical stores to discover unique items. It can be busy at the Citadel on the weekends, but there's plenty of parking. There's ample parking with 2 parking lots and valet parking as well. Arrive early around opening time and you can snag some of the deals at the shops before it gets busy in the early afternoon. It's nice just to rock around these outlet malls and enjoy the weather. There's always decorations according to the holiday, and music events are provided as well. The stores provide great service and selections can't be better. The Camarillo Premium Outlets is a vast shopping center with 3 large segments, so be prepared to walk. Parking can be a bit of an issue on busy days and weekends when you might have to circle the parking lot a few times to find a spot. The stores are spread out in different sections. You can fulfill your shopping needs with shops ranging from North Face to Nike. There are lots of ground to cover and lots of places to shop with authentic brands, children's clothing, and much more. There's lots of options for footwear. There are brands at different price points, such as Old Navy to luxurious designer brands. A notable addition to Camarillo Premium Outlets is Saks off of 5th. Saks off 5th has great selections of more formal wear at a discount. The high-end stores such as Gucci may have short lines to enter, but the lines move quickly so you don't have to wait. The food court is small in Camarillo, but there are a couple of fast casual restaurants such as Johnny Rockets, Cracker Barrel, and Finney's available. Some of the stores might not have any current sale items, but at other times you can find good deals. You can find in many stores savings on most items, with clearance racks having 50 to 70% off. You might have to dig a bit through some of the random merchandise, and the quantity of some items may be limited, but the quality of the items is usually very good. Some of the brands claim to create specific items only available at their outlet stores. If you want extra discounts when you shop, sign up for the outlet mall's email online and get money off your bill at certain restaurants and shops. Ontario Mills is about 50 miles from downtown Los Angeles. It is the biggest outlet mall in the LA area and one of the largest in the country. Unlike other outlet malls such as the Citadel or Camarillo, Ontario Mills is all indoors. It's one of the top shopping destinations in California. Ontario Mills is located near Ontario International Airport and the San Bernardino Freeways 10 and Interstate 15, making easy access to the mills. The mall first opened its doors on the 14th of November in 1996 and is the largest single-level shopping mall in Western North America, with over 1,430,000 square feet of retail space. A big mall with a wide variety of shops. There's plenty to choose from, and most of the stores offer discounts. There's a huge selection of different types of stores, such as kitchenwares, clothing, perfume, and travel gear. The stores are reasonably priced with the most valuable goods. Stretchers, Sunglass Hut, and Hot Topic often deals to younger shoppers. With over 200 great stores in one location, it's a shopping fantasy come true. Ontario Mills is home to a number of designer label outlet stores, Ralph Lauren, Hugo Boss, and many more. Other tenants include GameStop, the Lego Store, a Disney outlet store, Express, and Levi's. The food court is located in the center of the mall and can seat 1,000 guests. There are dozens of different eateries at the food court. Outside the food court, there are several excellent restaurants to be found. The Rainforest Cafe is a themed restaurant that families with children would enjoy. Outlet malls offer discount prices and a broad selection of brands at one location. Often their prices are far lower than you would find at regular retail stores. You can spend hours wandering around these retail fantasy lands, investigating shops, looking at interesting items, and making purchases. Many shoppers enjoy the atmosphere and the treasure hunting aspect of finding deals at outlet stores. Take full advantage of these Southern California shopping experiences. Start your shopping expedition today and find a wide selection of brands and save money.